Open up your mouth and shout, good praise, gets results. They must have been doing some damage. Because while Peter's in prison, I wish I had somebody talking to me. While Peter's in jail, they're at the church, and something happens to him. He fell asleep, but he was awakened by two angels. Struck him and said, get up. You got to come out. Why, Alfred? Because somebody at the church was praying he come out. Pastor Tracy, I got a few more minutes, and I'm going to let you finish celebrating your birthday. Somebody's at the church praying for him to come out. And while they're in service, oh, let me hear y'all clap. Come on. You better watch yourself. While they're at the church carrying on, making a whole ruckus, there's a prison break. The very thing they're believing for is being done while they're making noise. You making noise at the church, and the thing you are expecting church with me. I wish some of y'all would hear what I'm telling you. You're carrying on, Teresa. April, you're making a ruckus. And the thing that you're believing him for is getting free. Wait. You know praise is powerful. When he was able to walk out of prison, free from chains, past 4 squats, and what a quadrant means, it means a host of soldiers. Why did they give him a host? Because they understood